Hello everyone. Today we have a keto zucchini bread, and this bread really healthy, very nice, full of vitamin. Let's start 150 gram of zucchini shredded, and then we the rest of the ingredients is very simple, so we can do it at home and a very easy way. Have all vitamins, have many things that give you full power and vitamins in same times. This keto bread, after you reach the time after you make keto classic, so when you are keto classic you cannot use this kind of bread. 6 eggs, full eggs, 25 gram of nigella sativa, 10 gram xanthan gum, and 12 gram baking powder. This xanthan gum you can order by Amazon or you find in any pastry shop. This xanthan gum who make replace the gluten to emulsify all the ingredients. We have 120 gram of coconut butter, and you can use unsalted butter or olive oil. It gives you the same result, but I love to use the coconut butter. Is really healthy and calorie less. We have 2 grams salt Himalaya, and I put 1 spoon of stevia sugar that make balance. We prepare all ingredients. It will not take long time. As you see, all dry ingredients I mix together: flour, xanthan gum, baking powder. I putting all the dry ingredients together. Baking powder. Now I have to add the salt, nigella sativa. It's kind of like black seeds, and then like 1 gram of nutmeg. It's really give nice flavor and aroma, and 2 gram of turmeric. Turmeric is antibiotic naturally. 2 gram of turmeric. I mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix it well. Be sure that there is no lumps. Very simple way. And then I added zucchini. Zucchini is little wet. When I mix with the dry ingredients, is really make all very emulsify, as you see, not stick together when I mix the zucchini with the dry ingredients. You can replace almond flour by coconut flour also, or any flour can use by keto. I mix the eggs. I put pinch of pepper. This help us to remove the flavor, and some of the keto people, they don't like the eggs flavor, and the salt, black pepper really helps. Then I added the liquid, the melted coconut butter. Also you can use normal butter or olive oil. Be honest, I like olive oil most of the bread because it really give nice aroma. I make sure I mix it well. Finally, I added fresh cream, almost 20 milliliter of fresh cream, 33% or 40%, not less than 34%. So as you see, the mixture becomes emulsify. When mixed well, I added all the liquid to the dry ingredients. Be sure that you take the whole liquid and then gently I mix the dry ingredients with the liquid. You see it's creamy like a nice cake. This wonderful. Black seed is really nigella sativa. You must read about nigella sativa. It's really natural antibiotic with curcum or turmeric. Turmeric is really give nice aroma with nutmeg. And now after I mix, you see it becomes like stiff dough. I increase little turmeric because I love the aroma and the flavor of turmeric. Also, this give you more natural antibiotic and help the immune system of the body. Now the dough is really finished, the battering. I have toast loaf. You have this is really in the any ice supermarket you can find, or if you have metal toast bread, you can put in different shape. Make sure that you spread it gently. One more step I like, after I make the battering inside the mold, I leave it 10-15 minutes to be sure that xanthan gum really acting like gluten for the bread. This battering is very nice size for this mold. For me, that mold keep with me like 1 week. I can eat it in 1 week in the breakfast or dinner, just 2 slices. And zucchini really nice aroma and flavor. You can see now, almost finished. Yes, I will start to come with me to correct the oven. I adjust the oven 180. Before I start baking, I reheat the oven to 180 degree. It takes almost 50 to 65 minutes. It's depend about the oven. Now, until this cooking, please, if you not subscribe my channel, make subscribe and activate the ring so all the new one is coming to you. Exactly 62 minutes. As you see, the texture, the sizing, and really nice aroma. You can smell the nutmeg and the turmeric. Really very nice. I check with little knife, and you see it takes little liquid inside, so I give it more than 5 minutes more. Now 65 minutes exactly. I take the bread. Wow. I keep aside until cool down. Then we'll check the result. You see the black seed or nigella sativa. It's give amazing taste for the bread and also is really healthy antibiotic. I start now, see the slice after cool down. Very elastic, very nice. You can see like normal bread. Xanthan gum is really give the gluten stretch to the dough. and wonderful taste. Please try this one, and when you have tried it, put your comment. I expect all comment. Please make like for the video when you like the speed and the taste. See, it's really nice like normal toast bread. Please have a good day. Thank you for coming to my channel, Ahmed Younes.